Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Madam Anita Ganesan. Are you ready for the current MUET examination? If you are not, in this video, I'm going to share some of the test-taking strategies for the reading component, specifically on Part 1, multiple matching. Before that, let's begin with the test format of Paper 3 MUET. The duration of this paper is 75 minutes and the weighting is 25%. Maximum score of this paper is 90 and the whole paper consists of 40 questions with 10 tags altogether. Generally, there are 7 parts. Part 1 is multiple matching, 4 questions with 4 options. Part 2 and Part 3, 3 option MCQs with 5 questions each. Part 4, 3 option MCQs with 6 questions. Part 5, a gap tag, 6 questions with 7 options. Part 6 and Part 7, 4 option MCQs with 7 questions each. Part 1, multiple matching. The first thing to know about Part 1, multiple matching, is that there are 2 sections, which are 3 short tags and 4 comprehension questions. These short tags are thematically linked. In other words, if the first tag is about food, the other 2 tags will be on the same theme. In order to attempt Part 1 multiple matching successfully, you just need to trace the following steps. The first step is read the instructions carefully. From here, you will know the type of text given as well as the theme of the text. For instance, answer questions 1 to 4 based on the notices about volunteer positions in bracket A to C. So meaning that there are 3 tags A, B, and C given, and these tags are notices, and the topic or the theme is volunteer position. So the notices are actually about volunteer positions. Next, number 2, read the questions and underline the keywords. So there are 4 questions altogether and you need to underline the keywords for each question. The third is scan the 3 short tags for specific factual information. So you may read each text, and in this case it's notice. So you read each notice and find phrases or sentences matching with the keywords that you have actually underlined or identified in the questions. And at the same time, you may also underline the keywords, the phrases, or the sentences in the text. This is an example. So as you scan, you may underline the keywords in the text. So non-graduate, keywords. Training will be provided, working hours based on 7 days, free 3 meals. Okay, so these are the, um, what do we call that? The keywords, which is actually related to the question, the keywords from the question. And if you look at the underlined keywords from the text and underlined keywords from the question, okay, you can match the keywords together. Okay, number one does not offer meals. Okay, so meaning that there is no meal. And when you refer to the keywords underlined in the text, free 3 meals, so which means that it is wrong, right? So it does not match. Number two, suitable for a degree holder. And if you look at the keyword, okay, non-graduates, which is inaccurate, meaning that it's not suitable. Offers to teach them on the job, okay, meaning that there will be training provided. And it matches, right? For number three. Number four requires only half a day's work. Half a day's work, which means 4 hours. So working hours based on 7 days a week. Okay, so meaning that 7 days they have to work. So it does not match. So it is um, inaccurate, right? Move on to the second text, which is B, accounts clerk. Okay, the same process. Okay, SPM graduate is the keyword. Working hours are from 8 a.m. to 12 noon, which is 4 hours. Daily allowance, okay, experience, okay, which is actually not relevant, okay, to the keywords um, in the question. Okay, let's look at the question and let's try to match the keywords. Number one, does not offer meals. Okay, anything about meals? Mention? No, right? Okay. Number two is suitable for a degree holder. Okay, it does not match. Okay, why? Because it is for SPM graduate. Number three, okay, number three has been taken because it um, has been taken by A. Okay, number four requires only half a day's work. Okay, half a day's work is 4 hours, so it really match. It match. It matches. Okay, working hours are from 8 a.m. to 12 noon, which is 4 hours. So it is a half a day's work. Does not offer meals? Yes, it does not offer any meal. Okay, so B is actually match for question number 1 and number 4. Okay, the third tag, C, the keywords are university graduate, okay, 7-day work, accommodation and food provided. Okay, so does not offer meals, automatically it is wrong. Okay, it does not match. Why? Because food is provided. Is suitable for degree holder? Yes, it is suitable because um, university graduate has been actually given and it's been underlined. Offers to teach them on the job. Okay, no training is actually provided, so it is wrong. Requires only half a day's work. No, because it requires 7-day work week. So the answer is 2, is suitable for a degree holder. D. So these are the answers, okay, for the multiple matching questions. Number 1 up to number 4. There are 4 questions altogether. So with the keywords, okay, from the text and also from the questions, it may help us to identify the answers successfully. Thank you and stay tuned for part 2.